Good morning. Thank you, Mary Jane. Our first panel, you can come up to the table so we can get started. Thank you, though, for your time. I think this is one of the most, I've never been excited to be part of such the forum. I wasn't sure what I was getting into in the beginning, and I have to say I absolutely love this project because it gives us all some foundation that we can move the needle together, and we can't just do it alone at the federal government. So I'm excited that we have the researchers, we have practitioners, and we're all here to do it together. So with no further ado, panel one. Our speakers this morning are going to be Kelly Kelleher, who is a professor of pediatrics and public health in the colleges of medicine and public health at The Ohio State University, and vice president of community health and services research and director in the Center for Innovation in Pediatric Practice at Nationwide Children's Hospital in Columbus, Ohio. He is a pediatrician and health services researcher focused on improving and measuring the quality of pediatric care for high-risk children. Our next panelist will be Eric Bruns, who is a clinical psychologist and associate professor in the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences, University of Washington School of Medicine. Dr. Bruns' research and other professional activities focus on public child-serving systems and how to maximize their positive effects on youth with behavioral health needs and their families. He is nationally known for his research and development work on integrated care coordination for youth with complex mental health needs via the wraparound process and school mental health services. Brian Samuels, he is on his way. Brian is on his way. Brian's from my home state, Illinois, and I'm glad to know him, and I think we'll be excited to hear his talk. He is the executive director of Chapin Hall, one of the nation's leading research and policy centers focused on improving the well-being of children and youth, families, and their communities. Before joining Chapin Hall, Samuels was appointed by President Barack Obama as the Commissioner of the Administration on Children, Youth, and Families, making him from 2010 to 2013 the highest-ranking federal child welfare policymaker in the country. This morning, we're going to begin with Dr. Kelly Kelleher. So come to the podium, sir.